Any Telugu song?
I like only one song in Telugu.
I will tell you. I forgot, yeah. So, some female version song. You love it from... It's been 10 years, I think, as the song.
I love this song from Munna movie.
Manasa, I got it. Yeah.
I love that song. Manasa, no unde chote cheppamma. Manase, nekedo cheppalandamma. Ninna munna, ivainamalo ledamma. Ee rojeto आनंदन चंपिस्तुंदम्मा. मुझे इतना ही आता है उसका, वो उतना ही काफी है. She is so nice. जिसने वो गाना गाया है, it's so nice. I just love that tone.
Mumayth, early morning ఎలా నిద్ర లేస్తుంది? కాఫీతోనా, సాంగ్తోనా లేకుంటే?
No, 1 hour in my room, nobody enter. Nobody enters after getting up. Okay. That's it. I get up, I actually sit on the potty for almost half an hour with my iPad and with my phone and everything, and check my mails and every detail and everything, and play my games, whatever I left the earlier night, finish it in the morning, and then after that I'll get up, I'll brush and I'll freshen up and everything. My mom will come and see if I'm out from the bed or no, so she knows कि हाँ भी ये out है, तो यानी और आधा घंटा she'll come out. So she'll be prepared with the breakfast and then I'm out. So me and Molly have breakfast together in the morning.
What will you have usually?
Chai and paratha.
Okay. During shoots?
Home food. The production car will go and get home food. No production food. Only home food. When I'm here. Only home food. When it's outdoor, then I guess only grilled chicken, because I don't eat non-veg much, but only grilled chicken. And the local food, pongal, then dal, rasam, like that. वो ही खाएगा.
So only workout है ना? Mumayth fitness secret. Food kuda na?
Food, that time workout, then it's always gonna, when I used to work out, see I'm gonna start working out very soon because it's almost gonna be a year now. I gave myself a break. But when I used to work out, I used to have almost a dozen of boiled egg, only white. 4 in the morning, 4 in the afternoon and 4 in the night. And then they gave me a protein shake without 0% carbs, ISO pure. That was I used to have. Then BCC powder, which is for the vitamins, and all my multivitamins and minerals are there, fish oil and everything. That was my daily thing, and that's it. Or home food, only fiber, no carbs. No carbs, because I just saw even on YouTube, your human body doesn't need carbs. Your lungs produce that carbs thingy. That's what I have, that's what I have seen it. So human body doesn't need carbs. It's only we take it for no reason. But human body doesn't need carbs. And nobody needs carbs. So fiber is very much good enough, but not so much good enough that you get constipated. But fiber is good enough because fiber makes it heavy, na? Fiber is good for your body. Mineral, calcium. So all that thing is very good enough. And then I have almond milk.
Okay.
I go with almond milk, and even with the cornflakes also I go with the fruit and nuts one, Kellogg's. Oh, I love that. I love that. I love that thing.
Mumayth Khan ఒక పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైంలో పీక్స్లో ఉంది, తన కెరియర్లో పీక్స్లో ఉన్న టైంలో ఈ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక డెసిషన్ తీసుకున్నారు, ఇంకా మూవీస్లో ఐటమ్ సాంగ్స్ ఉండకూడదు అని, స్పెషల్ సాంగ్స్ ఉండకూడదు అని. సో అప్పుడు ముమైత్ ఖాన్ ఎలా రియాక్ట్ అయింది? అంటే అప్పుడు తన పీక్స్లో అవే చేస్తూ
never mattered to me, babe.
అంటే లేదు, అప్పుడు మీకు అవే ఛాన్స్లు వస్తున్న టైంలో ఈ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డెసిషన్ తీసుకుంటూ ఉన్నారు. సో ఏంటి నెక్స్ట్ నాకు
యాక్టింగ్ క్యారెక్టర్
అప్పటికే మీకు ఛాన్స్ వచ్చాయి.
ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ babe, industry got lot of work yaar.
Industry got lot of work, but మీకు వస్తుందా అని మీకు అనిపించింది?
That's the reason why I never categorize myself in one thing, na?
Yes.
That is the reason why it's not like you'll only find Mumayth doing item song, or you'll find Mumayth doing a character, or you'll find Mumayth doing female oriented song or television. I want to do everything. I will not stop. Creative, I'm a very creative person, and our industry is very creative. So I know I'll have place. Anywhere I'll have place in the industry when it comes to creativity. So So it never matters. चलती है गाड़ी, नहीं चली क्या करेगा इंसान? इंसान चलता है, नहीं चला तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. You just have to be happy. That's it.
ఒక 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాను. రేట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఆన్ దట్.
Oh, okay.
ముమైత్ యాజ్ ఎ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ చైల్డ్.
Oh, 10 out of 10. आज तक का खून में भरा है.
ముమైత్ యాజ్ ఎ సిస్టర్.
Oh, 3 out of 10. I like to get pampered from my family. So, me, because I'm the youngest now. Older rehto, then I'll say what my responsibility are being an elder person or elder sister to everybody. So I will give myself 3 because I don't do anything. They'll only do for me. My sisters, they do it for me. Okay. It's because of my father. Because my father loves me. Okay. He pampers me a lot. तो फादर की वजह से सब बहनों को मुझे पैम्पर करना पड़ता है. अब बहन लोग तो कर रहे हैं. नाउ नेफ्यूज आर आल्सो पैम्परिंग मी. दे नो आंटी कैसी है. For them also it's very clear. So as a sister I will give myself 3. Very low point.
Okay. How senti? Rate it. How senti you are?
Too much. 10 or 10. Too senti man. इसके लिए I become strong. खराब लगता है इंसान है. We are human यार. अभी if you're going to fall in gutter, I will not let you fall in gutter ना. I will tell you babe, देख gutter है गिरना नहीं है please. अब गिर जाएगी, नहीं सुनेगी, गिरेगी. If you'll not listen to me, still you'll fall down. Then I'll tell you. I told you ना. हाँ, how many times I'm supposed to tell you? Why are you repeating the same thing? Why is this? So that's where the sentiment comes and the caring comes, and that's where everything happens. Okay. So it is. I'm sorry, I am like this with my close people. I am like this, and I'll always gonna be like this. If you hate me, stop talking to me. It doesn't matter. But one day for sure you will call me. One day for sure you'll come back to me. I know that for sure. As a friend, I'm a very good friend. I'm a very good friend. I'm a very good friend because as a friend, I don't think twice saying anything wrong, and I don't think twice even appreciating also. I'm a very good friend.
How romantic you are.
I need it. I am not.
Hey, you've been in 4 relationships. You're not romantic. Don't tell me that's the reason why you got broke up.
No man, they always had ego with me, for God's sake. Not because I was not romantic, dude. क्या है ये question?
Mumayt is blushing.
What is this question?
Rate yourself no on a scale of 1 to 10.
Dick, you help me with this, okay?
Okay, tell.
Why do I see Sex Pistol? No, I'm serious. There is a Sex Pistol.
Yeah, it's there. Yeah.
You help me. My first relationship was for 4 years.
Okay.
My second relationship was for 3.5. And my third relationship was 2 years. Now my last relationship was 1.5, 2 years. What do you think?
You got vexed up with this relationship. Or your graph is like.
है ना? तो इसके लिए कुछ रेडी नहीं कर पा रही हूँ मैं, क्योंकि मनी नहीं है.
At least from your side.
See, as a romantic person and caring and loving, I'm 10 out of 10.
Yes.
When you ask me this. But when you talk about in the relationship, sensible talk, then I will not listen to anybody. So that's where the graph, I don't know where it goes. So इसके लिए it's hard to say it. Love, care, like I said, the way I do it with friends is the same thing. If I'm loving my friends and if I'm in a relationship, imagine it's going to be more. But in the return, if I'm not getting anything, so gradually it is going to get over. And the only love is going to be there only for the family. The care, love, romance, it's only going to be for the family.
So, Mumayt life lo inka boys leru.
No.
No more gents.
Friends are there.
No, అలా కాదు relationships కానీ.
नहीं ना, अभी इतने जल्दी नहीं. After my operation, you really think I want to waste my money? My expensive titanium wires are there in my brain. Do you genuinely think I want to waste it on getting into any relationship or boys? They're very expensive, huh? By the way, my one titanium wires are very expensive. I paid 27 lakhs for the operation.
Oh my God.
तो एक wire is almost 2.5 lakh, 2 lakhs का wire, and now 9 wire. Multiply it. मैं नहीं देना है ये wire में. I feel like mutant, X-Men.
Yeah.
I feel mutant and X-Men. So balls, I'm gonna waste it on anybody. I will not waste. Sorry.
ఓకే ముమైత్,
Yes.
చాలా టైం స్పెండ్ చేసాం మీతో. నేను అసలు యాక్చువల్లీ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు ఇంత మాట్లాడేది. నేను విన్నాను మీ గురించి చాలా ఓపెన్గా మాట్లాడతారు అని. అండ్ సీరియస్లీ ఒక నార్మల్ పర్సన్ నుండి తెలుసుకోవడం కంటే అది ఫేస్ చేసి వచ్చి ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని డైజెస్ట్ చేసుకొని వాటిని ఫైట్ చేసి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి వినడం ఇంకా చాలా బాగుంటుంది. అది రియల్గా నేను చూసాను ఇవాళ. అండ్ యూఆర్ సో ఇన్స్పిరేషనల్ ముమైత్.
Exactly. See, I am very happy and I'm glad that, like, you know, you guys called me over here, taking my interview and, like, you know, knowing me as a person the way I am. So for me, the reason why to do this interview, because it was more on a personal level. It was more on what exactly I've been doing in my life and what's happening and what's not happening, because that's very less you get to see, because most of the time being an artist, you're supposed to promote your movies, you're supposed to promote your songs, you're supposed to promote a lot of things. But very hardly you get to connect with people from heart to heart. You know, very hardly you get it. And then I've always decided and I have always thought that whenever I'll get a chance, like even on my pages also or on my thing, I would rather interact with all my fans directly and be myself than let other people from the media or anybody, like, you know, especially when it comes to online or talking any wrong things about me, which is not even true, which I really don't even care about. Genuinely, I don't even care about it. It is okay, let them do it. They'll get the likes, they'll get the hits, and उनका रोलिंग चलता रहेगा. I don't care about it. But coming for this interview was exactly because Super 2 also happened. And then when I spoke about, like, you know, the whole thing about my aneurysm coiling, so people wanted to know exactly what was it. So coming here, making people aware of lot of things and, like, you know, making them aware of problems hota hai, you'll go through up and down. You have to do certain things which you don't even like it, but you will do it because eventually, you know, I'm not talking about forcible things or all that. I'm talking about एक दिल को करके नहीं मुझे ये चाय नहीं पीना है. अरे यार अभी के लिए कुछ भी नहीं, पी लो चाय, वो भी बड़ी बात नहीं होती. चल ठीक है, कल मैं कॉफी कर देती हूँ. Tomorrow I'll make a coffee for you. पर आज चल एडजस्ट कर लो. तो वो एडजस्ट करना, understanding towards life, understanding towards someone, understanding about your surroundings, understanding about many things in your life, because in the end of the day you have to grow as a wiser person, because once you grow as a wiser person, that's what you're going to teach your children also. Humanity hai, there is humanity still left. I'm not going to say it's completely gone and everybody is bad and everybody is running behind money and everybody is running behind brands and all that. I'm not going to say that, because there are majority people who really do have humanity. And somewhere down the line, because of the practical life we live in, because everything has become so practical ke for a man getting up in the morning, काम पर जाता है, he comes back in the evening, and he does that for a whole month for that monthly payment. In that human being, let it be a boy or a girl, the person forget to live happy. क्योंकि वो एक रोबोट जैसा हो जाता है ना,
कमाना.
हाँ, वो प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में वो मिस हो जाता है. So that's where I want to make people aware of it. Like, you know, you're going to go through lot of things, money wise, family wise, kids wise, and marriage wise, and, like, you know, lot of friends wise. You're going to meet good people, you're going to meet bad people, something is going to go wrong with you, you're going to fall ill, you're going to fall sick, you're going to go through lot of things. But that doesn't mean that you're going to stop motivating yourself. That doesn't mean that you're going to stop growing yourself. That doesn't mean you're going to stop looking forward in your life. That doesn't mean you'll stop moving on in your life. Because that's not what I have learned. And I am being an example. I'll only speak on my knowledge, what I have gained. And I'm only going to tell you guys also about it. It's like, you have to move on. You have to move on. You cannot sit at one place still and stable and be like, you know, oh no, this is my life, oh it's all gone, I'm done. You cannot do that. You have to move on. Keep yourself happy. Be with people who really understand you. Mostly be with your family, because the more you understand your family, that's how you're going to choose your friends also. Because then that's what you're going to look in your friends, that my family is going to treat me like this. Obviously, I want my friends also to treat me like that, because that's how I'm going to be with my family. And the same way I want to be with my friends too. When it comes to work-wise, work hard. I would say work hard. Because I've been doing it after having titanium wires. I still want to work. I don't want to care about what's going to happen tomorrow. I don't want to care about if it's going to break and I'm going to die immediately. I don't want to even think about it. Because willpower is something which everybody needs to have it. This is what's going to keep you going and this is what's going to keep you stronger. और ये सब में ना rich और poor नहीं आता है, ठीक है? क्या अरे तुम्हारे पास तो पैसा है ना, अमीर है तो बोलोगे, हम तो गरीब है ना, ऐसे कुछ नहीं होता है. तुम गरीब भी रहो, चटनी रोटी भी खाओ घर में, तुम खुश रहना चाहिए. चटनी रोटी, खुद का सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, सेल्फ एस्टीम, खुद का लाइफ, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. अमीर लोग वो अपना लाइफ जिएगा, उनका सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट वो जिएगा. हर कैटेगरी हमने डिसाइड किया है. हायर लेवल, मिडिल क्लास, लोअर क्लास कुछ नहीं होता है. सिर्फ एक ही होता है, सर्कमस्टांसेस, सिचुएशन इंसान को वैसा कर देता है काम के लिए, और कुछ भी नहीं होता है. और फेट है, नसीब है. अप एंड डाउन होगा लाइक अ हार्ट बीट. दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई वी ऑल आर अलाइव, बिकॉज आवर हार्ट बीट गोज अप एंड डाउन. तो यार लाइफ भी ऐसी ही है, जी लो जिंदगी आराम से. और मुन्ना भाई MBBS का एक डायलॉग है, पागल ये मत सोच जिंदगी में कितने पल है, ये देख हर पल में कितनी जिंदगी है. सो दिस इज द बेस्ट डायलॉग फॉर एवरीबडीज लाइफ. स्टे पॉजिटिव, स्टे स्ट्रॉन्ग, स्टे मोटिवेटेड, एंजॉय योर लाइफ. अमीर गरीब नहीं सोचना, एंजॉय. सब अपने अपने घर के राजा, सब अपने अपने घर की रानी, सब अपने घर का मालिक, और कोई किसी का कोई कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता है. सो यू बी हैप्पी, स्टे योरसेल्फ, कीप मोटिवेटिंग. गिरता है ना, उठा देना उन लोगों को, बस जो भी गिरे ना उनको उठा देना. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग. सो एंजॉय, कीप एंजॉयिंग योर लाइफ एंड स्टे हैप्पी एंड कीप स्माइलिंग. बी सेडिस्ट आल्सो समटाइम, इट्स फन.
సరే, మనం ఈ ఇంటర్వ్యూని ఫార్మల్గా కాకుండా ముమ్మైత్ అంటే ముమ్మైత్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు డాన్స్. మనం ఒక స్టెప్తో ఎండ్ చేద్దాం, ఇఫ్ యూ లైక్ టు.
अब मैंने नहीं करना है.
ఒక్క స్టెప్, మీ సిగ్నేచర్ స్టెప్, హిప్ స్టెప్ ఉంది కదా పోకరీ సాంగ్.
You know what I heard? After my Pokri song, they started a belly dancing institute.
Wow.
Seriously, I'm not kidding. I swear on myself. I'm like, हाँ मैडम, आपका वो स्टेप देखकर ना उन लोग ने चालू किया बेली डांसिंग कोर्स.
Wow. It's good, no? We'll end with that then. Please.
पता है मेरे मन से क्या हो रहा है? टन टडन 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 टडन. It's like a laser.
I will dance with you. You teach us. You
Okay,
teach
done. Let's do
Chalo.
it.
నరసింహాచారి అలా ఉంటాడో అలా ఉంటా. లుంగి వేసుకొని మనీని వేసుకొని పొద్దున్నే వేపుళ్ళు వేసుకొని.
మీ వైఫ్ చాలా విపరీతంగా బాధపడేవారంట కదా.
ఆమెకు కూడా ఒక డౌటు, ఈయన్ని హీరో పెట్టి ఎవరు చేస్తారు, పిచ్చి కాకపోతే చెప్పారు. అంటే ఏంటి రేపు పొద్దున ఈయన ఏమన్నా చేస్తే చాలా అతను కొన్ని అంటే చాలాసార్లు ఏడ్చిన రోజులు.
అంటే వేరే అమ్మాయి
అంతే, అమ్మాయి కావచ్చు, ఇంకేదన్నా ఒకలే తను వదిలేయచ్చు మనల్ని. నీ అంతరాత్మ సాక్షిగా నువ్వు ఎప్పుడైనా వీడు నాకు అన్యాయం చేశాడు అని నువ్వు కంటతడి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా అనుకొని చేసినాడు, ఆ రోజు నా పతనం స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందని చెప్పాడు.